Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. And guess what? Today we have Grove. Do you know what Grove is? Do you, Grove? Well, I do. And I get a box once a month and it came and we're going to open it up and see what I ordered for this particular month. Now, Grove is a monthly subscription that you control. You choose what you need. If you don't need as much, then you don't order as much. If you need a lot, then you order as much as you need. But you can get cleaning products, baby products, pet products, beauty products, vegan-free, healthy beauty products, and all their cleaning products are made mostly with essential oils. So you are getting products for your home that are environmentally friendly and safe for your pets and your children and your whole family. So I highly recommend the Grove, and it's called Grove Collaborative is the full name of the company, and I will have their link down in the bottom. I also have a free kit available, a link for that, and it will get you a free starter kit that usually comes with a few cleaning items to let you know how good they are. So be sure and check that out. If you've not ever tried Grove, it's worth your while, I guarantee it. This is a subscription that you also get free shipping if you become a VIP. When you are a VIP, you get your shipping. You pay $19.99 a year. Okay, so it's not exactly free, but each box will ship free for 12 months, and you will get 4 quarterly gifts free, and you get a choice of those gifts, and then they have special gifts all the time, so you are getting a lot more value for your bang for your buck when you become a VIP for that $19.99. They also have free samples that they send out, and or a free sample page that you can click off and have all these samples sent to you to try out. So there are lots of good things about Grove. Not to mention that this heavy cleansing things that you shop for maybe at the store can just be brought to your door, and you don't have to lug it all around. It's brought to you and you just get it out of the box and put it up. So I say it's a great thing. So let's get on in to this box. Now this month I'm not sure what I ordered. I can't remember if I got it packed up with packing paper. And the first thing I'm seeing in here is the laundry detergent. I've been using this Method laundry detergent for over 2 years now, and I love it. This here is the Beach Sage scent, and I really like it. I had been using the lavender, and I like it too, so I go back and forth. But this is a great product, and you only use a cap full. That's all you need. You don't need very much, and it does work in your HE. This here is your shower getting fresh with you. I love this product. It's the Method Daily Shower Spray. This smells so good. It cleans without having to rinse, and it's plant-based, and it's eucalyptus mint scent, and it smells so good. And this is only like $3 and something, so it's not very expensive. And the laundry detergent, it only runs around, I think, $12.99, and this lasts a long time. You get 66 loads out of this. Our next item that I got are some Grove Micro Cleansing Cloths, and I really like these guys. There's 2 of these, and I think they're around $7, but I have gotten to where I use these. I know y'all gonna think this is crazy, but I use it for cleansing my face for my washcloths, and I love it because it's got that microfiber and it's soft and it cleanses my face real good. So, you know, crazy or not, that's what I do. You could also use these in your kitchen, but all it says is they're cleaning cloths, and maybe they want you to clean your counters with them. Probably wasn't expecting some silly person like me to use it for my face. My next item I have in here is Dr. Bronner's Whole Cornel Virgin Coconut Oil. Now, for many of you, if you've been watching my channel and you've been watching me unbox Grove, you know that I use coconut oil for my cooking. You can use coconut oil for hot oil cooking. So if you're frying up some chicken fried steak, popcorn, whatever you might be frying up, you can use this coconut oil. You can also use this like a teaspoon in your coffee. It helps reduce your triglycerides naturally with fatty food chains. You can put this on your pet's skin if they're having some skin issues. Coconut oil is very healthy for you, and it's a healthy fat. So if you haven't tried coconut oil, I would recommend this brand. It's very good. And it runs about $10.99, $11, something like that, a jar. My next item that I have is a reusable bottle. I don't know if y'all realize it, but they have cleaning supplies. And they have concentrated cleaning little bottles that you can buy, like to clean your floor or to clean your cabinets, whatever that you're going to do. Now this one says for the floor. So when I pick this up, I know that whatever's in here is for the floor. Okay, I went and got these out of my cabinet. So what I have here is Sparks of Joy. It's a limited version, so you can't get this balsam fir scent anymore. But I can put one of these little bottles in this bottle, and then you fill it up with water, and then you have cleaning your floor. You can just spray it on the floor and then mop up. I really like it. And then it's going to have that nice little scent. Oh, that's very nice. It does smell like a fir tree. So, of course, this was for winter and or for, the holiday time. These little boxes, you get 2 of them. They usually run around $6.99, $7. Got my floor bottle, and it's reusable, and they're trying to cut down on plastic. So by 2025, they're going to be plastic free. So they're switching over to these glass bottle for the floor, and I'll be using that. You can bet your bottom dollar, and it's safe to use around my pets. The next item I have in here is I got some pure baking soda, and guys, I know you can get this at the local store, but I just had them send it to me because I needed to like $1.99 in my cart for some reason, and it might have been $1.50. It's not very expensive, but I got me some pure baking soda. It just shows you all the different things that you can get at Grove, and you may not think about it. And you can use baking soda in your refrigerator for odors. You can use it in cooking, of course, and you can use it in some of your cleaning supplies. You can even use a little bit of that with some bleach and some water to make up a cleansing mix. If you want to use bleach, I'm trying to go bleach free. The next item I have in here is a box of the ultra soft tissues, and every time you buy one of these bamboo Kleenex boxes, you save a tree. So it's Seedling by Grove, and I always get 1 or 2 boxes. This month I got 1 box because I probably had plenty already stocked up. And the last item I have in here is my free gift. They sent me a message that I was available for a free gift, and I got the fog gray dish towels. And so let's take a look at these and see how they look. This is one of those deals where you get something free, and it's not some rinky-dink thing. You get a nice gift. And the thing that's really nice about it is you get to choose that gift. And if you've been watching my last few videos, I've gotten a free gift for the last 3 boxes, so that's more than once a quarter. So I don't know what's going on there, but I like it. But this is what it looks like without the paper, and they're fog gray. They're going to be striped, and I'm not going to break it apart right now, because you can clearly see what they look like, but they're nice material, nice and thick, and they're going to be great little hand towels in my kitchen. And I got gray because it'll match my kitchen. So that is my Grove, and again, you can Grove anytime you want. You can ship anytime too. If you need a shipment before the month's up, then you can always go in and special order. I will tell you, when you use Grove, you need to make sure that you go in and check your cart. You want to hand pick what's going to be in your cart, because if you don't, they will subscribe you to everything that you've ordered. So you just go in there and you make modifications. They send you 2 or 3 emails way in advance of shipping date so that you can go in there and get what you need. You can take out things, you can put in things. It's totally up to you. And you can order as little as $29.99 a month to get your free shipping, which doesn't take long, with cleaning supplies and baking supplies, makeup, towels, whatever it is that you're getting. So it doesn't take long to use that up to get to the $29.99. They have free gifts lots of times based on, like, if you order $30 worth, you get this free gift. If you order, 50, you get this free gift. So they're always giving away free gifts. They have specials all the time in their store. So again, I just highly recommend Grove. If you haven't tried it out yet, I don't know what's holding you back, because that link will give you a free kit. And if you get it and you just absolutely don't like it, then just tell them you don't want it. Thank you for my gift, but I don't want to get your products. But you ought to at least try it. So as for today, that's all I have for Grove. I want to remind you all that I have several collaborations coming out. I've got a FABFITFUN Goldie Box battle going on with my daughter. We're going to have a second uncustomized box battle going on pretty soon. We have a fairy garden party going on. This is a collaboration where 7 of us put together some fairy gardens, and that should be fun for you all to go and check out. And there is giveaways with each channel. I'm also going to be having my 500 subscriber giveaway, and it is going to be a curated FABFITFUN box. So it is sure to be an excellent giveaway. So be sure and get in on that. I haven't got it together yet, so you just have to keep a lookout for it, but it will be titled 500 subscriber giveaway, that's for sure. Okay guys, that's all I have today, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.